Can you delete all Facebook friends in one click? Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. So over here, go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Make sure to log in into your account. Now, if you wish to delete all of your Facebook friends in one click, we hate to break it, but there is no direct way to do so. This is because multiple deletion of your Facebook friend in Facebook, this feature has not been created by Facebook yet. However, what you can do is you can tap on the three horizontal line that is in the top right corner and select on your profile option. From here, you will see the option of friends. Tap on all friends. Now, if you tap on the manage option, you will have this option with all of your friends right here. And next to them, you will see the unfriend button. So you will have to click on the unfriend button of every other friend that is on your list. So this is the manual way to delete all of your Facebook friends in one click. However, you will not be able to multiple delete your Facebook friends at once. Hopefully this sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you.